Hey Siri, remind me to make script for new YouTube video.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to make your own virtual assistant in Python. So my name is Daniel and I'll be teaching you how to make your own virtual assistant in Python. Okay, here we go. So the first thing we have to do is get some installations ready, and those installations we're going to start with Python voice to text. So first you open up your file and go to the directory which you're going to do this project. So I have mine here. So I will just install, just follow along, pip install pyttx3. So this is Python text to speech function. It will show satisfied because I already have this downloaded. Yes, already satisfied, so it just should show different. Yes, then we will have pip install Wikipedia because we use it for some things. Wikipedia. This audio install, so we install web browser. This is going to be for some features. I think I got the spelling wrong. Web browser. Okay, we download Hydrox. This is showing installed already. Yeah, then we install, what's it called again? Python speech recognition sort of speech. This is going to be one of the most important on the recognition. So this is one of the most important things we need for this whole thing. So we first start by creating a new Python file. So a new file, I'll create Python. So no, sorry, I've got the wrong interpreter. So I just index.py. Sorry, index main.py. So this is the name of our main project. So we just quickly start with some imports. So importing libraries. So we'll first import Python text to speech. So text to speech. Sorry, text to speech. Speech library. So next we'll import is speech recognition, but we'll import it as XR because this is a very long name and it will be difficult to write this always. Recognition. Okay, so next thing we'll import the web browser API to allow some do some browser. Sorry, just want to quickly, yeah, browser import Wikipedia, also Wikipedia import. What else do we need? We also import web forum. Yeah, I forgot to mention this is part of the things we keep installed. because Wolfram is what we use for our search engine, basically. We'll see that later. Wolfram. Ah, I got this spelling wrong. Sorry about that. Yeah, so that is Wolfram. That's downloaded. So it's just different. So import SMTP. This is the SMTP. Okay, this is a to send emails. It's inbuilt to Python. So if you have Python for searching for stuff, so that's what we use the one for searching for stuff. We will import OS. Use this later. It comes to Python and then we import date time. Just for fun. We import sub processes to run some voice commands. We import I forgot this again, sorry. Pip install recapture. So we use this for taking pictures with Python. So I think I got it wrong. Let me check it. Just quickly check. So it's pip install car. Oh, I got the spelling wrong, sorry. Capture. Yeah, that's it. So that's the capture. So install it. You have to do this. So import capture. Yeah. Library for taking photos. This is just like this is like a smaller library compared to OpenCV. If you've ever used OpenCV, it's like OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision. So yes, that's what we use. I think we have PyJoke not here, and PyJoke here. So import PyJoke just for some jokes instead of writing a bunch of jokes. You can have to come up with your own joke, but PyJoke is better for easy. So jokes. If anyone I miss later on, I'll add it up, but I think for now I've gotten most of the ones I need. Okay, so we'll start first by I also like connecting my code because it will be easier for me to use it later. So I think this is just my own way of doing things, but I don't know what to. So let's start first with a print. Your virtual assistant is loading. Not this. Then we'll start with the name of our virtual assistant. So let's have name choice is equal to string because we want it to be string. I don't want then put it as what do you want to name your virtual assistant. That's good. Then we'll just do some validation. Input validation. So we just have the name choice. Oh, sorry, forget something. Now if the length of the name choice after strip is just remove the white spaces, right? If the length is less than or equal to 0 for some reason, less than 0, so not equal to, less than 0, less than 1, this is 1, then we do name choice is equal to my own name is Diva. You can use whatever you want because Diva is I give my own virtual assistant. So now this is Now let's start working on our virtual assistant. Virtual assistant. Okay, so that's our virtual assistant done. So we'll start by creating the engine. This is just basically some no, this one's for me. This is just basically the way it is being recommended in the documentation for the text to speech. You can check the link in my description. So here we choose Sapien because I'm using a Windows laptop. If you're using a Mac, you use NPX. On Linux, you use eSpeak. So since I'm using Windows, I use NSAPIA5, Sapia 5, whatever you call that. Yeah, I'll use that. Then we'll generate the voices. So the voices is engine dot get property. Then we have voices. Voices good. I'm sorry. Just so we have engine dot set properties. Not sorry. The set properties is equal to, we have voices here. Voice. This is how it's being said in the documentation, so it's nothing special. Then voices dot index one. So this is literally index. One is for male, one is for female, two is for male. So one is for female, zero is for male. So zero is for a male voice and one is for a female voice. So that's basically what we have there. Then we do ps dot init driver init driver name is equal to Sapia 5 because again I'm using Windows. So just voice name because it is Windows. So you can just go to the documentation. For your own voice. So that's the voice state, but now you cannot speak yet, so you have to do some setting up to get it to speak. So let's define our first function here, speak. I think that's a good name for it, speak. So we have the audio that I'll call the parameter for audio, but I normally like putting my parameter in, even though it's only accessible once, I like putting it in this format so it's easier to know that it's a parameter, even though you guys have a different one. So you have dot say, you have different options, but using dot say, then you have the key audio option. Key audio. So then you have engine run and wait. So this is what you always do after you play a song. So we just got these ones and call it once. So now we can set up a greeting. Let's just annotate this. Making your virtual assistant speak. all we need to make is speak the. Let's have something like a greeting. Let's say define wish me. This is wish me. Wish me well. So the parameter is like hour equal to unit time. This number. Let's use the number date type. So we use date time. That's what important is this dot date time dot now. Then from dot from dot now we want to get the hour because we want to make some custom greeting. So we have if the hour is less than or equal to 0 and hour is less than 12, because if you notice this is going to be in 24 hours format. So that hour is an hour is less than 12. We have speak. We use this speak for the first time. Speak, then passing it on the state to speak. We say good morning because this is morning time. Morning. Exclamation mark. So we just explain this here. Greeting for the morning. Simple. Now we have here else if price elif is printed in Python hour is greater than 12, that is noon, and less than 12, that is and less than 6, 18, not 12, sorry, it's less than, that's less than 18, that's afternoon. You say guess what now, you say speak what good afternoon because this is afternoon. Good afternoon. Now it depends on what country you're from. I see 17 because 6 is 8. No, sorry, this is greeting greet for the afternoon. Brilliant. So next we go for the night. So we use the last one, the else statement, else. So if none of this is not the last one will also be night. So we have to create a parameter from social good evening. Okay, good evening this night. So yeah, that's good. We just do exclamation. Just put exclamation mark here, just make it look fancy. So we like, oh, good evening, sir, or something like that. Then we have to ask, so let's say tell the user let's give it my name. My name, sorry, is equal to alpha string. We want to use alpha string because I like it. And we call in the name the user gave at the first name choice. Mine to is Deva. This is Deva. This is a virtual into Deva 1 point. Oh, sorry. Oh. So I'll just have that. So just say 1.0 and to say let's have this my name. No, I'm your writing. I am your virtual assistant. Then after that you have my name. So you just put a full stop place and just stop. Maybe Yeah, full stop, then read as e. The full stop as that's all. Then we can make it that our virtual assistant can give us our name. So we just define our username. Yeah, that's fair enough. So we have speak. Again, we speak, just make it specific. What should I call? What should I call you? Question mark. That sounds more professional English. Now, if username is equal to username is equal to, I'll leave this blank for now. Let pass it different. Like, let me just think for now. We want this take user command. Now, we want the user to be able to speak what he wants his name to be. So just before here, even though Python does not get the chronology of how you define function like other programming language, we create user we use, let's say, take command. I think that's a better name. Take command from the use command. So now we have R. No, we have command is equal to SR, that's speech recognition right in here, dot recognizer. Then put in brackets. Now it's a function. Then we are right to rate SR dot microphone, that's to get the microphone to work. Now have it as source. Then we print to the terminal listening, so we have visual feedback that something is happening. Listening. We have this. I think that looks cool. Then we have r dot pause. That's a command. This isn't what I put in the last one. Dot pause threshold. It's equal to 1. That is how long to wait for after listening. After 1 second of not talking, it will take the command. So we can make it longer. I can make it 2. I think yes, okay. So if it's not talk for 2 seconds, okay. Then I have audio is equal to command dot listing. Sorry. Then we have source. That's what. Then we have a try block to catch errors in cases within the try block to show what happened. So I try recognizing. I think that's the right way to experiment. If I'm wrong, just please. I think that's about right. Maybe this is Z, but I don't know. Z. I'm not the best speller anyway. So your query, I want to call it query is equal to command dot recognize Google. So we use Google to recognize, just look for recognize. Recognize Google. Imagine that. What is it? Recognize. Let's just write it. Google. Recognize Google Cloud. That was called Google Cloud. That's audio. We have languages, English. So this is string english.in english.us US, because this is US English, or UK for you to submit US. Use the US. Then we have print. We have a string. Print the user said. Instead of saying user, we can use this as whatever username is. Said, I think that's better. Then we have query element. Sorry, query. Yeah, that's query. Now, because this is a try, there's going to be a try except block. So the except is an exception. That's error. So if there's an error, if you didn't get what the person said, so you print the error, so we know what happened. Then we print unable to recognize voice or something. Unable to unable to recognize voice. Then we get the virtual assistant to say something like, sorry, I didn't get that. Those kind of things that you always see. Just command this, taking user command. Yeah. Activating recognition. So this is what tells it to recognize this is here is recognition model. This is Google model offline, and ours is set to English US. So you can understand English with linguistic. So I'll use English US because I'm more familiar with English than with English, so I don't get that. Then because this is a return set, you have to return something, so you just return new. So you get me, because and the function will return the query. So this will return the query. So if you go back here, you can take, because to return the query is a string. Yeah, it's going to be a string. So you have query. Let's just take command. Sorry. It's just not going to be small letter because we're using communication. This is going to be a small letter because we're using communication. So take command. So it will return this as a string. Now you can say speak. Welcome, Mr. Welcome. Then username. Just I'm familiar. I use FSJ now. It's better. It is a concatenation. Then sorry. Then here we can just print username. No, sorry. I'm going to be string literal. Username. Username. So we have a feed out of that in Italian. So we've just gotten the basic setup ready. And since we have our take command parameter ready, we can now start with one function. Let's define our program. We'll just go to say activate virtual assistant. So this is going to be in the block we'll have to have define a script block here. So we call it clear. So just clear everything in the terminal. So we have a new time we run this. So just do one line because we need to make it to first assistant then we have CLS. Let's click on it in the terminal. So just write it down like always. Players terminal on the so we'll just call clear to clear the terminal. We have wish wish. I can spell it again. Wish in mistake it should be small letters. Wish me. Then the username. This one. So this will just run this. We now have here val true. So true. Well, query. New query. Apart from the one that is being used for. You can give a command if you want to. But I call it query. Take command. I'm just going to know it so it's easier for us to work with. So change get user command to lower this. Okay, that's done. Now we'll say if quit a query. So if we have the word quit in query, we'll have speed virtual assistant stop. And have quit, which leaves the while loop and ends our virtual assistant. So that's our first command. So we can write it at this top. Commands. Commands. So you can read it word quit. What do we can say? You can change it to let's say quit or deactivate and query. So basically what this is just doing is that this is the query will return a string and return the string to lowercase. Then like if there is quit if the word quit is in anything you say, if you say quit Siri or quit virtual assistant, it will end. All you just have to do is get it from your voice. So let's start with using Wikipedia to get something. Let's say in Wikipedia. So how in Wikipedia in query. That's what we have to do in query. You have speak. Let's see. Searching media. So just copy this, paste this, and change the reference print. So just bring that to the terminal, just so get visual feedback on what's happening. There will be like a result. Oh, let me listen to the result is equal to Wikipedia. Yeah, hope is that let's install dot summary. Summary. We now have query to replace Wikipedia. So we have this space. So we need another neutron. We have space. Then we have sentences. How long we want the result to be? So we have sentence. Sentence. Wait, I think I got this wrong. Wait, no. Wikipedia. Okay, so let's write sentences equal to 3. Or let's make it 4. So 4 sentences. We get the result in 4 sentences. Now we say here that according to Wikipedia that we got this result. So we just say the results. Speed result. Now, so the result will be a string, obviously, because this is a Wikipedia. We also print result. So we can try that and see if it works. Oh, sorry, not to print this. Print. Oh, let's push. So if we try this now, that's the problem. Okay, so what's the news again? I'll just leave today. No more new drivers, just pay up. Let's I'm coming. That's line 1. Line. Let's go back up there. Let's see. I think I got this spelling wrong. Maybe. Please just wait. Spy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I got the spelling wrong. It is spy 5, not spy I5. So if we go to the screen, So virtual.
Good evening. I am your virtual assistant.
Who is working?